example, store is same recipe.
No.
¿No? ¿Qué tal material para...?
Es crema.
Crema,
Es
crema, solo crema.
No, tiene otros ingredientes. ¿Es alérgica a algo?
Sí.
¿A qué?
Está bien. ¿Chocolate?
Sí. Y hay de queso también de chocolate.
Sí. Y aquí. Muchas gracias. Nani Karabe.
Okay, we just got back from the flea market. So I'm going to quickly show you all what I got from the flea market. First of all, I got this bracelet, which is very minimalistic and it's very cute. So I got this. It has some seashell design. It's very nice. I got this, and then I really love and appreciate people who do artwork, so I like to buy from them all these handmade products. And look at this cute frog. This one was crocheted, and there was one more stall, and this lady had crocheted Lord Ganesha and Lord Krishna. That was also very beautiful done, but those were too big, so I wanted to buy something tiny and small. See, it's so cute. Okay, next we got this tropical mix jam. He had a variety of flavors and we got to taste a lot of it. The man was really nice who was selling this. If I can remember, this one has a mixture of mango, peach and papaya, and this is without sugar. We needed some spread for the bread, so we took this one. The last thing which we bought is, I think here they call it salsa, or it's a sauce, okay, little spicy sauce. So he said we can use this as a dressing for fish, so we thought that'll be a nice thing to try, because we do eat pan fried fish with salad. Okay, so I'm going to try this as a dressing. I tasted it at the flea market and it has some sweet spicy flavor, so got this. That's all we got from the flea market.
The next day we went grocery shopping. First, we stopped by an art store because I wanted to pick up some air dry clay. I've been experimenting with a new craft and I'll definitely share it with you all in an upcoming video. After that, we headed to a supermarket called Shedrawi. This is our go-to spot when we need to stock up on groceries. We used to shop at Walmart initially, but we found that Shedrawi has better quality vegetables, so now it's become a regular choice for bigger shopping trips. When we just need a few things, we shop at a nearby store, although the selection is more limited there. Now, one challenge here in Mexico has been finding a wider variety of vegetables. I'm sure the local markets might have more options, but I haven't had a chance to explore them yet. As an Indian, I'm used to having a big selection of vegetables, so adjusting here has been interesting. When we lived in the US, we could find almost every vegetable we'd get in India, mostly thanks to the Indian stores there that stocked them. Here, we mostly rely on vegetables like eggplant, squash, beans, cauliflower, chayote, mushroom, and few more, and of course, poultry and fish. The fruit selection is much better, and we get nearly everything we need. But if I have to compare it to the US, I'd say there were still more options there, especially in California where we found fantastic produce. Now, when it comes to the meat section, The selection here is impressive. You can find almost everything: poultry, lamb, pork, beef, except for goat meat. But we did manage to find goat meat in frozen form at a store here. If you've seen my Dashera vlog, you might remember that. I'll try to do a dedicated video on grocery shopping in Mexico and share a comparison with the Indian and US market. Here, our shopping was done and it was time to check out.
जैसे प्याज काटता है वैसा ही है। फिर से
उतना ज़्यादा मिक्स करना है। ठीक है, दे दो। इसमें डाल दो ना। कर दो ना पूरा। नहीं डालूंगा तो मैं एक हाथ से ही।
question 1.